Hi, I'm doing an unboxing of this tabletop football game and also another purchase below. We'll check it out, what is it all about. Okay, and perfect, let's begin. This toy, tabletop football toy called the Tipp Kick, T-I-P-P-K-I-C-K. Alright, and this is from Germany. I recently went to Germany and I went to the German Football Museum in Dortmund. And yeah, I heard about this because I designed the Origami Footballer, and I was like, oh yeah, you know, because I folded this, and I believe you have seen a lot of this on my channel. So that led me down to a rabbit hole of tabletop football games, and Tipp Kick being one of the most popular ones. I watched a couple of YouTube videos on what Tipp Kick is all about, is whereby you have to, this is a metal football player. You tap the head and the leg will swing and it will kick a ball. Finally got my hands on one, and so let's unbox this together. Let's go. Okay, so this is the second unboxing. I just got this from my local Daiso. I think it's a goalpost. You know, just I'm gonna play with my cats. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'll put this aside. Comes in a variety of languages over here, and it shows you what is in store over here and some of the rules. So over here you can see there are a couple of languages that tell you what Tipp Kick is all about. Germany, English, Italian, French, Spanish. And Tipp Kick, what I understand, it originates from Germany itself. This unique tabletop football game challenges you across the board. As a manager, you decide which tactics to employ. As a midfielder, you create chances whenever the color of the ball signals your moment has come. Possession is determined by the color of the ball. Yeah, as a powerful forward, you go on the offensive, but when your opponent counterattacks, you are already back in the goal, and at the touch of the button, you dive into the corner, quick as lightning. Do you accept the challenge? So each game has a game length of 2 times 5 minutes, so 1/2 is of 5 minutes. Okay, so each game comes with 2 metal players, number 1, then number 2, goalkeepers, then number 3, 2 Tipp Kick balls, number 4 plastic goals, and number 5 is, I guess, is the field, the pitch. So, okay, the moment has come. Oh. Where are you guys from? So do leave a comment below. And this cost 49.90 euros. I guess there are cheaper versions out there in Germany, but I don't know where they are. First time there. Okay, so remove the plastic. And okay, let's go. Tipp Kick. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Wow, 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 wow. Super exciting. Okay, so this comes as a bundle. Okay, so I guess these are the sponsor panels at the side. Always close back your cutter when not in use. Oh, I see the players already. Exciting, exciting. Oh, okay. So, I don't quite understand them. They are all in German. Oh, there's an English one here. Game rules. There's a lot of words down here. Okay, do like and subscribe. Okay, yeah, this is really just too much words. Yeah, look at that. That's like so much words. Okay, so I will read this some other time. And yep, because I bought it from the German Football Museum, so it's DFB, fan shop. So I think the design is all in the German national team, and this game of Tipp Kick is originally from Germany as well. And yeah, if you have followed me long enough, I'm not sure how many of you do. Yeah, I have been watching the German national team for a long time, since I was a kid. 2002 World Cup all the way to 2000, and like probably now their glorious playing years lasted till 2017, I guess. And something happened, I'm not sure what. Anyway, football is football, right? It has all their ups and downs, and I have a cat. Say hi to my cat. He's Icing. His name is Icing. I-C-I-N-G. Yeah, beautiful cat. Very smart. He can do lots of tricks. Okay, let's go here. Okay, so there are a lot of these sponsor panels, I guess. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, you can see the players are here already. The goalpost, the goalkeeper, the footballer. Okay, these are the sponsor panels for the game. Supposed to form this triangle shape prism. So it stands like that. Nice. There's another brochure inside here. And more German, and I don't understand. Yeah, so this just shows what this thing is about. Tipp Kick Classic. Yeah. Oh dear. Oh dear, I don't understand anything. But the pictures look really good though. Different color players. So Tipp Kick is been around for a long time, probably decades. Yeah, probably has went through many iterations, many designs, many different paint jobs. You can see different teams down here. Pro Team Sport. Oh yeah, I saw that there is actually English sub. English translation. So you can actually buy the team box of Tipp Kick for other countries. Argentina, France, Austria, England, Switzerland, Spain, Brazil, and wow, there's even a timer down here. And the goalkeeper, this is what the goalkeeper looks like. You have to press the button at the back of them and they will dive. And they all wear caps. And you can, I think this is just a marketing product, so you can just look up their product code and you can make purchase. Wow, they even have the retro versions like what? France 98, things like that. And all the retro jerseys being painted on. Yep, okay, so, and for the main dish, let's check it out. Okay, so I have one ball here and another ball here. So a Tipp Kick ball looks like that. I don't know what shape is this. It's made of a couple of squares and triangles, and half the ball is in the white color and the other half of the ball is in the black color. So it depends on what color it lands on, then it signals whose possession it is. So yep, better not lose them. Okay, I think the goalkeeper is easy to pick up. Nice, look at this. Let's move the camera nearer a little bit. Yeah, look at that. This is the Tipp Kick goalkeeper and I'm holding one in my hands right now. Look at that, amazing. And this is how it dives. You just have to press the button and it dives to that direction. Yeah, so this is one of the problems with the Origami Football. And if you don't know what is Origami Football, for my new viewers, it's this origami model that I folded and designed and led me down to a rabbit hole of all the tabletop football games. And yeah, look at that, the height difference. So the goalkeeper can move. This one, the goalkeeper cannot move, but we have more players. So we'll see later how they compare against each other. Yeah, so let's put this guy aside. So this is the Tipp Kick goalkeeper. The other Tipp Kick goalkeeper. So it dives on the left side and also on the right side. Okay, goalpost first. Okay. Looks cute and soft actually. Yeah, you can see it's quite soft. I hope that they have something to actually lodge the goal into position. If not, I guess it will fly away. So even in the paper football, the origami football, the goalpost, this is my origami football goalpost. If the shot is powerful enough, the goalpost already, flies away. So I hope, we'll see. So this is one goal. And this is another goal. And let's compare. This guy probably can't even save anything. Look at that. So much empty spaces, and this guy doesn't even move. This is the felt. Oh, so I think wow, look at that. Yeah, so they come with, yeah, because it's from the German Football Museum in Dortmund, Germany. Then therefore they have this team logo down here. They have these little grooves, beams, plastic beams at the side of the field. And this is like felt material. It's like the same table as you play cards on. There are little grooves down here. So I guess the goalpost fixes, yeah, see, it does. It matches. Yeah, just like that. So I guess this is how it stops the goal from being blown away by powerful shots. Corner, the corner detail, the goal box detail, penalty box, arc, but obviously there's no spot, there's no arc down here. Trivia knowledge, the penalty spot is here and there's a minimum distance to stand, and that is the arc that's drawn. So there's a giant compass and they just draw it around on the football field. So during a penalty, no player is supposed to stand down here. Everybody must be a certain distance away. So this is the field. It's huge, but I think it's good. It lays on my table, good enough. Oh, by the way, I bought this Champions League keychain as a gift. So I have not given it away yet. It's part of European Champions. Yeah. Really little words. FIFA World Cup keychain. The human down here, another human down here, the globe, and the wordings, FIFA World Cup on both ends. Purchased from the German Football Museum in Dortmund. So do check it out if you are traveling there and you are a football fan. And okay, main dish, let's go. Let's. I don't know why I can't pick this one guy out. Okay. Wow, pretty heavy, yeah? So this guy, oh, see, the leg moves. Yep, so this is the Tipp Kick player. I'm finally holding one in my hand now, and look at that. Ooh, fun, huh? So you can only do one leg. So you tilt it, I guess you can do a curler shot, you tilt it the other way, you do a trivela shot. So obviously this guy cannot do a Rabona. If you press, it moves in front. What happens if you pull? Yeah, it goes behind. So maybe you can do a back heel, back heel, back heel, back heel, back heel. This is one guy. And this is the other guy. It's green and then this guy is white. Back heel, forward, yeah, so this is how it looks like. Oh, it matches exactly on the line. Nice. Let's put one goalkeeper here. Okay, need to release one of the leg and in, yeah, like that. I don't know how to play Tipp Kick, but I saw from online that is how you move them. You can turn and twist like that. I think we need something to like stabilize them. Anyway, I'm on my own currently. I should put this guy here first, and then this one in like that. Yeah, I think this is best when you play with another person. I'm on my own now, so I can't do anything. Yeah, if I shoot, I can't possibly try to block myself. Okay, so Tipp Kick has 2 players on each team. 1 goalkeeper and 1 outfield player. And there's the ball, like that. And this is how you shoot, I guess. Oh, nice. This little knot down here, this thick portion here is for you to hold, and then you press the other button, the red one, to shoot. Ah, you see that? I hit the crossbar. Okay, let's try that again. Ah, again. What's this crossbar challenge? Oh man. Go! Yeah, because it's felt, Origami Footballer doesn't kick. It gets stuck in the cloth. Ah, this is not good. Maybe you need to change this to a paper ball. It's gonna be difficult to play a crossover of different types of table football because they use different rules and different materials. And I can't even shoot on this thing. It's like stuck. The paper just cuts into the felt material. Oh shit. Hit the post. Safe. Go! Oh, saved. Oh, finally, oh my god. Give me a like, give me a like. We are done with the Tipp Kick part. It's really fun. I will be unboxing the other items, so you know, since my camera equipment is already here, let's do it on the floor. And this one is a little goalpost I bought for playing with my cats, and we shall see how my cats fare, how icing fares. Okay, so parts check. I'm supposed to have 2 long, 2 medium poles, and 2 short poles. The long poles are here, medium and short. So, yeah, so I guess that's how it works. Okay, one by one. Oh yeah, this is my other cat, my brown cat. He's a Siberian. I guess this is it. Okay, this is just a mishmash of stuff. Okay, I have no idea where is what. Ole! Ole! No. No. Ole! My cat's name is Olay. A-U-L-A-I-T, like Cafe Olay. This is really confusing. It says over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 squares. Okay, this blue line is the reference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nets are a nightmare. Don't you agree? Nets are a nightmare. Thankfully, I'm not a fisherman. I think this is how it works. And finally, this corner. Is this the corner? Yeah, this should be it, I guess. I'm just winging it. Okay, done. Done. Wow, he saved.